Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week I'll be showing you how to create this really easy glowing makeup look. So I think this look would be really good for school or work because it's really easy to throw on in the morning and just run out of the house, and I just think it looks really fresh and put together. Anyway, before I get started, I just wanted to say that if you like beauty, fashion, DIY, and travel videos, please give my channel a subscribe. I'd love to have you, it'd be super awesome. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off by applying Bosha's Tsubaki Lotion. So I picked this up recently, and so far I'm really enjoying it. It's a really nice lightweight moisturizer that creates a soft and subtle glow. I know it's really tempting to skip this step, but it's really important. You want to make sure you have a hydrated and glowing base for your makeup to sit on top of. Next, I'll be applying Australian Gold's Tinted Sunscreen. I know everyone has different skin needs, so of course feel free to use whatever you want here, but try to pick something that isn't too heavy. Anyway, so I absolutely love this sunscreen. It's SPF 50 and it leaves your skin looking and feeling non-greasy. I'm now just going to cover up any spots or redness with IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. So this concealer absolutely lives up to its reputation. It's amazing. I actually kind of can't believe how well this works. It covers up spots and redness really well, and you only need a tiny amount. I'm now just going to use Maybelline's Instant Age Rewind Brightener to cover up any darkness under my eyes. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'll know I also love this concealer. Using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil, I'm now just going to shape and fill in my eyebrows. I'm not doing anything too crazy, I'm just filling in any areas that are a little sparse and defining my arch. I'll then just be using Eyelar's Brow Amplifier in dark brown to make sure they stay in place. This brow gel is great because it also has tiny fibers which make my brows look a bit fuller. I'm now just going to lightly apply CoverGirl's Clean Press Powder to anywhere where I applied concealer and to places where I find become a bit oily later in the day. Using L'Oreal's Infallible Eye Pencil in the shade Brown, I'll be lining my upper waterline. This is just going to make my upper lashes look a bit fuller, and the brown is much softer than a black pencil. For mascara, I'll be using IT Cosmetics Superhero. But before that, I'm going to make sure to curl my lashes. This step is super important if you're like me and have some lashes that grow straight outwards. Using this Hoola contour stick, I'm just going to do some light contouring on my cheeks. I just want to add a little bit of definition. I'll then be going in with the Clinique blush stick in the shade Amped Up Apple to add some color to my cheeks. So this blush is definitely my new favorite. It's absolutely beautiful. It creates a really natural looking flush that's super easy to blend out. I'll be lining my lips with this pinky nude pencil from Bite Beauty. I would be more specific, but the shade number rubbed off this pencil so I don't really know what color it is, but any pinky nude pencil will do. You just want to make sure to blend it out with your finger at the end, like so. For lipstick, I'll be using Bite Beauty's Lip Crayon in the shade Glass. To finish everything off, I'll be using Bite Beauty's Agave Lip Mask in the shade Champagne. So if you're in the market for a new lip balm, this one's fantastic. It's really moisturizing and it's not sticky at all. And ta-da! Here's the finished look! I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week to week and a half. Thanks for watching, and bye!